At a shade under 17 million adults in the NCR Plus 8 area, 250,000 daily vaccine jabs translates to 7.5 million vaccinated a month, or 33 million in change spread over 4 months and 4 days. PTV correspondent Bea Bernardo guides us on the Octa research group doing the math to achieve population protection in the NCR Plus 8 before year end in this report.
The Octa Research Group believes that the NCR Plus should still be prioritized in the COVID-19 vaccination program. Octa Research Fellow Professor Ranjit Ray said achieving herd immunity in the NCR Plus would hasten the end of COVID-19 pandemic in the country. But some provinces have recorded a surge in cases, and Ray advises
the way we deal with them is the way we've dealt with the surge in the NCR, and that is really to expand. We have to recognize that expanding testing and tracing and isolation should be a whole year effort, meaning it doesn't stop.
Based on the study of Octa, the target should still be herd immunity. This was explained in a diagram shown by Octa Research Fellow Father Nick Austriaco. As more individuals are vaccinated against COVID-19, it would be harder for the virus to spread.
Keep in mind, we will not be able to vaccinate 100% of Filipinos. Why? First of all, there will be patients who will not be able to receive the vaccine for different health reasons. There will be young people for whom the vaccine will not be approved. And so, in order to protect those unvaccinated people, countries target herd immunity.
For Octa, target containment could be achieved in NCR Plus 8 areas by October if 250,000 individuals will be inoculated per day. There would be population protection before Christmas if 300,000 doses will be deployed per day, and a total of 25 million individuals will be vaccinated.
I know that the national government is hesitant to talk about herd immunity, but as someone pointed out yesterday, if we aim for the stars, we may land on the moon. So we should always target the highest threshold.
Meanwhile, Octa urged the government to give incentives to different sectors in order to increase COVID-19 vaccine confidence. Bea Bernardo for The Nation.